The difference between stock trading and investing. Lights, camera, action. Hold on to your seats. Welcome aboard, guys. Imagine suiting up and rocketing into a space where the financial cosmos unfurls before your eyes. That's where we're taking you today. Plunge into the exhilarating depths of stock trading and investing, where fortunes are forged, the twin juggernauts that rule the galaxy of finance. Fasten your seatbelts as we warp through time and space, crack open the vault of secrets, and uncover the arcane arts that power these titans. With mind-bending strategies, wizardry that would make Merlin jealous, and insights that'll reforge your financial DNA, this journey is going to redefine epic. So grab your popcorn, gather your courage, and get ready to blaze through the stratosphere. You're about to witness the face-off between stock trading and investing in IMAX 3D reality. Before diving in, let's first clarify what exactly is the difference between stock trading and trading. In the electrifying realm of finance, stock trading and trading are like siblings with different temperaments. Stock trading is laser-focused on buying and selling shares in companies, chasing the rapid ebbs and flows of stock prices, and making profits through these fluctuations. On the other hand, trading casts the wider net and can involve not just stocks, but also commodities, currencies, and other financial instruments. Trading encompasses different speeds. It can be as fast-paced as stock trading, or more deliberate like forex trading, which deals with currency exchange rates. In a nutshell, while stock trading is a thrilling sprint in the company ownership lane, trading is an exhilarating marathon through the diverse landscapes of the financial markets. Feast your eyes. Stock trading versus investing in stunning infographics. Brace yourself for an eye-popping extravaganza as we unravel the intricacies of trading and investing with cutting-edge infographics. Picture this: vivid colors, captivating illustrations, and crystal-clear charts, all elegantly intertwined to unravel the complexities of these financial titans. These infographics will be your guiding light, effortlessly leading you through the intricate maze of stock markets and investment landscapes. From candlestick patterns to fundamental analysis, our infographics will be your trusty sidekick, equipping you with the knowledge and confidence you need to navigate the exhilarating world of finance. Key differences: the thrill of trading versus the marathon of investing. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling expedition that will uncover the key differences between stock trading and investing. Trading is like a high-octane race, seizing short-term opportunities with the thrill of the chase, where quick decision-making, technical analysis, and market timing reign supreme. On the other hand, investing is akin to a slow and steady marathon, focusing on long-term growth and value creation. It's a patient game where in-depth research, fundamental analysis, and a calculated approach take center stage. While trading aims for immediate gains by buying low and selling high, investing seeks to build wealth over time by purchasing undervalued assets and letting them appreciate. So whether you prefer the thrill of the chase or the steady climb towards financial success, understanding these key differences will help you make informed decisions that align with your goals. Unmasking strengths and pitfalls. Now, let's uncover the pros and cons of each approach, shedding light on their unique strengths and potential pitfalls. Trading, with its lightning-fast pace and potential for quick profits, offers the thrill of instant gratification. It allows for flexibility, giving traders the freedom to enter and exit positions swiftly. However, it also comes with risks, as market volatility and emotional decision-making can lead to substantial losses. On the other hand, investing offers the potential for long-term wealth creation, capitalizing on the power of compounding and value appreciation. It allows for a more relaxed approach, reducing the stress of constant monitoring. Yet investing requires patience, as it may take years for investments to reach their full potential. Moreover, market downturns can test even the most steadfast investors. By understanding these pros and cons, you can carefully evaluate your risk tolerance and time horizon to determine which path suits you best. The million-dollar choice: embrace the chase or climb the wealth ladder? The million-dollar question arises: what should you do? Should you embrace the thrilling world of trading or adopt the patient art of investing? The answer lies within your unique financial goals, risk appetite, and personal preferences. If you're a thrill seeker, enjoy quick decision-making, and can stomach market fluctuations, trading might be your calling. However, If you have a long-term perspective, prefer a more relaxed approach, and believe in the power of compounding, investing could be your true path to wealth. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, and many successful individuals adopt a hybrid approach that combines elements of both trading and investing. Ultimately, it's crucial to align your strategy with your goals and constantly educate yourself to make informed choices in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Double trouble. The perils of juggling trading and investing. While it may seem tempting to dabble in both trading and investing, it's important to recognize the challenges that can arise from juggling both strategies simultaneously. One of the primary issues stems from the stark contrast in their approaches. Trading demands sharp attention to market trends and perpetual analysis and quick decision-making, leaving little room for a long-term investment mindset. On the other hand, investing demands patience and a focus on the bigger picture, which may be hindered by the rapid-fire nature of trading. Attempting to navigate both realms simultaneously can lead to conflicting strategies, increased stress, and a lack of clarity in decision-making. It's crucial to carefully consider your resources, time commitment, and level of expertise before attempting to master both trading and investing. Remember, it would be good to clarify that it's not impossible or necessarily bad to engage in both strategies, but rather it requires a well-thought-out approach and a clear understanding of each strategy. Stock trading versus investing face-off. To shed further light on the distinctions between stock trading and investing, let's delve into some key points that showcase their varying characteristics. Stock trading. Short-term focus. It's all about seizing immediate opportunities. Frequent buying and selling. Get ready for a whirlwind of trades. High risk, high reward. Brace yourself for adrenaline-pumping moments. Requires active monitoring. Stay on top of market trends and news. Emphasis on technical analysis. Unleash your inner charting wizard. Investing. Long-term focus. Patience is the name of the game. Buy and hold strategy. Invest in the future and let it grow. Lower risk, steady growth. Slow and steady wins the race. Less active management. Relax and let your investments do the heavy lifting. Emphasis on fundamental analysis. Dig deep into company fundamentals. Trading requires active monitoring and emphasizes technical analysis, while investing involves less active management and relies more on fundamental analysis. By evaluating these characteristics, you can gain a clear understanding of the approach that resonates best with your financial objectives and preferences. Why trading and investing reign supreme? Imagine an enthralling ballet where two dancers, trading and investing, parade across the stage, showcasing their individual flair while also harmonizing in a mesmerizing financial symphony. Trading, the agile and swift dancer, is the electrifying life force that pumps vigor into the markets. With every leap and twirl, trading whisks stocks from buyer to seller, becoming the heartbeat of the financial market. It's a mesmerist, conjuring liquidity and facilitating price discovery, ensuring the market pulses with effervescent energy. This ebullient performer invites individuals and institutions into a dazzling waltz, where they can sashay their way to profits through short-term market swings. Now, shift your gauge to investing, the poised and graceful dancer who effortlessly glides across the floor. With every elegant stride, investing embodies the stalwart guardian of long-term economic growth. Imagine a shower of golden coins falling gently from the sky as investing's ethereal movements coax capital into the arms of businesses, nurturing their growth, innovation, and creation of jobs. Investing's benevolent dance is a tribute to dreams, funding grand ventures, securing comfortable retirements, and building lasting legacies. Its very essence is alchemy, transforming patience and foresight into sustainable wealth. These twin maestros, trading with its fiery flamenco, and investing with its composed waltz, perform in unison to compose the vibrant ballet of the financial markets. They are not just dancers, they're architects shaping the economic landscape. They dance not for mere spectacle, but to empower you to grow your wealth and sculpt your destiny. As the curtains close, they extend an invitation to you to join this spellbinding ballet and play your part in this grand financial theater. With knowledge and wisdom, May you find the rhythm and grace to make informed decisions and choreograph your own financial magnum opus. Well, the difference between stock trading and investing lies in their time horizons, strategies, and objectives. Trading thrives on the adrenaline rush of short-term goals, leveraging technical analysis and swift decision-making, while investing embraces a patient mindset, aiming for long-term wealth accumulation through fundamental analysis and strategic portfolio management. Each approach has its own set of pros and cons, requiring different levels of time commitment, risk tolerance, and expertise. Ultimately, the choice between trading and investing depends on your personal preferences, financial goals, and resources. Whether you decide to be a master of one or strike a balance between both, understanding these differences will empower you to navigate the dynamic world of finance with confidence and make choices that will suit your unique characteristics. So embark on your financial journey, armed with knowledge, and unlock the path to financial prosperity.